Hi, I'm Sadie and I'm a director here at Westacre Theatre, where we have an amazing opportunity for you. If you are an undergraduate on an accredited performing arts course anywhere in the UK, you can apply for a place on our totally unique bursary scheme. We are looking for actors, musicians, dancers, singers and technicians to come and spend the summer with us and take part in our fabulous selection of productions, but also get involved in the madness, which is our crazy summer season. We have just 10 residential places available, so get your applications in now and we can't wait to meet you.
Hi, I'm Abby and I'm a previous Bursary student.
Hello, my name is Rosie and I was part of Westacre Theatre's bursary scheme last year.
Hi, my name's Edith and I did the bursary scheme last year and the year before.
Hi there, my name is Hudson. I'm a professional actor.
Being a bursary at Westacre was one of the best acting experiences I've had, and I feel so lucky that I was able to meet and live with other students who all had a passion for theatre.
If you are on a drama course at the moment or have just graduated from a drama course, I would highly recommend applying for the bursary scheme.
You just spend the whole summer doing the thing that you love and also getting paid for it.
You get a really good chance to cultivate your skills, cultivate your craft and get yourself ready for the industry.
I made many friends through the bursary programme that I still speak to now.
I met so many new friends who all have the same interests as me.
It's an amazing way to meet other people who love performing, make new friends.
The surrounding area was gorgeous, and as someone who lives in a city, it was great to have a change of scenery.
It's a beautiful area, so I would definitely recommend it to anyone.
I had the best time.
Great chance to inspire, to motivate.
It's an incredible opportunity to get paid to perform before you even graduated or as your first job having left university or drama school.
You make very special friendships and very special memories.
I really couldn't recommend this bursary programme more. It's a great way to spend your summer.
I highly recommend applying.
I couldn't recommend this highly enough. Get yourself signed up. It's a brilliant
We need all the more to celebrate theatre and the Norfolk countryside and all the wonderful things that Westacre's Festival provides. Have a fantastic time. Lots and lots of love. Bye-bye.